Okay, so hey guys, so today this video is for all those beginners. As I am also a beginner. So what I will be teaching today is how to, write solutions in LeetCode. Basically, up till this time, what we did, we just write the full code, full length code. We just ask the user to enter the value of something, and then on the basis of that value, we calculate something. We made our logic. That's how we did the things. But now, what we will be doing, we will be writing only a few segment, or basically the logic that we will say. We will only write that logic of the code. Rest the inputs that I will be asking from the user will be given to me automatically by that function. How it is done, I will show you three questions, and out of these three questions, because see, what we have to do is we have to write only the logic, and in that function, the function will be returning some value. The value might be an array vector, we call it in CPP we call it as a vector, or the int or void. So I will be encountering three questions, and I will tell you how will they work. So let's start with the first question. This is to some problem number one, as you can see. So what this problem seems, first of all, don't if you don't need to worry that what is this, I will tell you step by step. Let's reset it. Okay, so this is the basic boilerplate that you are gonna get. Okay, so the logic, you have to write it inside it. So first of all, let's look at it. Don't focus on this thing, class solution. This is basically a block of segment. You know that class is a footprint, but you don't have to really focus on this one. Focus on this one. This line is main thing. So what this line suggests, so first of all, in this what is this? This is vector. In CPP, a dynamic array is called a vector. So what is this? A vector. And what it is, it is a returning type. So whatever the thing I will be returning in this part, the function definition part, which will come in this, from this bracket to this bracket, which comes between this, it should be returning a vector. That's why vector int is here. Vector int means a vector that has all integers. And what is the vector's the name? That is the to sum. Okay, and this is the function name, and it has two arguments, this vector and nums. This I will be getting from the user. This nums I will be getting from the user. This is an array I will be getting from the user, and target also I will be getting from the user. So what I have got nums as array from the user, and target from the user. Okay, so this question is very easy, you can do it. I know that you can do it, but some people have difficulty doing it here. So I will be telling you how to do it that here. Okay, so I wrote the solution previously, so I will just paste. So what have I done? So what we got up till now, this is a return type, so I should be returning a vector. This is the name of the function. These are its two arguments, which I will be getting from the user. So I don't have to do that scanf part, right? And the number of size of the array, enter the element, enter target. I don't have to do that. That I will be getting from the user. Okay, so again, this is the return type, function name, the input parameters or the argument that I will be getting from the user, and this is the second argument I will be getting from the user. So what I have to return, I have to return the index of first pair. Okay, see what I did, I return I comma j. What is this? The address of first two pairs which will add up to the target. So what I did, the logic is same. See, logic will be the same. What will be the different is how you will just paste your logic here. Okay, so this is my logic, you can get it very easily. So what I did here, instead of printing likewise, uh, I will be printing that I comma j directly here. Okay, so rather doing that, what I did, I return I comma j, or the that index of that two element which can add up to target, the first pair I return. And what its type, its type is vector. Why? Because these are the curly braces, this shows vector. Okay, so what is my function doing? My function is getting a num set as array and a target. And what is this? This is the logic, and what it is returning the index of those elements which add up to target. Got it? So this is one of the example in which the return type is vector, or array you can call it. So this is one type. Now second type, I have int. I will be returning int. Same type, I will be returning int. Okay. So for int, let me select this question. Insert search position. So what is this? This is just a search insert. This is we just have to apply binary search here and get the um, index of that element. So I will be writing the logic here. What I will be returning is a int. Int must be a value. Okay. Likewise, in that question of twosome, we returned array. In this, we will be returning int. Int is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay. So I will be returning that, and I will be writing the logic here, and I will be at the end. What I will be returning, I will be returning the answer, or what I got, at what position I got it. Okay. So this is about the int one. And next, I have void as well. Void, you all know. Let's say I have this question. This question is about rotate an array. So in rotate an array, what I will do, what in this, see, I don't have any return type, so I will not be returning anything. Okay, so let me show you my submissions. This one, let's see the solution. See, this is the solution for that. So what I am doing is, first of all, the logic you all know. I am again assuming that you all know the logic. So what I am doing here is, whenever you will see this kind of thing like vector in, you are getting that vector, you are getting that array, and you have to modify that. So always make a copy like I made here, vector in temp, and write that logic. Okay. So this logic I have explained in my videos. You can check out my videos as well. Now this is the logic, and what I have returned. Do you see any return statement here? No, you don't. Why? Because the return type is void. If return type is void, you don't write anything like return 0 or thing less like that. Okay. So this was the, how you can do the solution, because many students face problem in writing the logic only. They know the logic, they know how it's executed, but they don't know how to do it here. So that I told you today. So thank you for the watching the video.